You guys, I just fixed my AC. I turned it on for the first time and it wasn't working. I turned off the AC at the thermostat. Turned it back on.
And it's terrible over there.
Your hair's crazy. That didn't work. So I went to the breaker, turned everything off, and then turned everything back on. Turned the breaker on first, turned the switch on in my fake basement, and then turned the thermostat on. So I hear the outside unit, like, it turns on and it's trying to run, and I'm like, it sounds weird. So I go over there and there's a fucking branch. There's a fucking branch clogging the fan thing. So I took it out and now my shit works. I'm so awesome. But now we have AC, so yay!
Smash that like button, hit that subscribe button. 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 Smash that like button, hit that subscribe.